What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the, them need from, what the hell? No way. Is this for real? Little old me. Do I have to enlist the help of the FBI for them to leave me the fuck alone? Like, do I have to let my tax dollars work for me in order for them to leave me the fuck alone? This is not real. It is not real. It's so surreal. Like, all of these crazy, intimidated, weak motherfuckers are just like coming at me like they want my head on social media. Like, do I have to enlist the help of the FBI to get some help here? Because you report them to social media, nothing happens. Like, what the hell? And you know, like, you don't want to go to a certain level, but it's like you have no other choice because it's just crazy. And you just want an answer. You just want it stopped. You just want it to stop. And it now stop. And so you're like, okay, since it's not going to stop, I'm just going to take it on to another level type of thing. You know what I mean? Like, what the hell is going on here? It's just the craziest thing for me. These individuals are acting like I am in their home and I'm stealing them. I sex them, man. And enough of them, I would never sex back at them. I would never sex back enough of them people. I got them favor yuck. Them favor yuck. I don't know. It will be there for you, Meg. It will be there for you. Me alone, you know, one baker, no? One baker. This one baker. Can you imagine? And then they say I'm playing victim. This one baker, everybody is so bothered by this one baker. Like, what the fuck? Oh. One of the figure I told to make me know, because I can't wrap my mind around it. I really don't know. This one person, I just get everybody hot and bothered, sir. Me alone? No, sir. Some of them must have some very low self-esteem, or they are just very mentally unstable. Because when I understand, oh, this one look puny baker with our broke pocket self, I give everybody headache, sir. No, sir. This one look puny baker, I give all of these well-rich people and these good up people who have them purse and them thing. This one baker gives so much headache. No, sir. Now I forgot to take out my gun license. No, sir, this is serious. Me, I forgot to take out my gun license because this is serious business. I'm a business owner. I probably can get it because I am a business owner. No, sir, this is crazy. Of course somebody set them on me. That's not a question. That is not a question, honey. Somebody did set them on me. That's not a question. Somebody did. This one person. Everybody, listen to me, people. Let me tell you something. They reported my pages, so that of course restricted a lot of my business. So pretty much my hands are tied as far as that is concerned. If you put all of them together, they have so many followers combined. They have a lot of followers combined. You know, combined they have a lot of followers, right? Okay, fine. Them are the it team, them hype, you know, they're trending on social media. Everybody, well, it seems like everybody worships the ground they walk on, and everybody wants to be around them, and everybody wants to be with them, and everybody, it just, you know what I mean, everybody wants to be a part of it, whatever that it is, you know, everybody wants to be a part of it, you know, but yet still I am their only problem. I'm their problem. Wow, that's just, I am your problem. Me are your problem. I'm gonna fix my titty them. Ooh, titty them I got through my bra. Me, this girl here run our business. My God have mercy. Me and mad people left, right and center. No, sir. Wanna just pray for me, yeah, because the way it's sickening. I wouldn't be surprised. I know I'm not calling it. I am not calling it. But the obsessive compulsive behavior is really frightening. Frightening to the point where I think they might get really desperate and do something really bad to me. Yes, and I'm not playing victim. I am just watching the behavior escalate. I'm watching the madness get out of control. And I am like, wait, something, they didn't take their pills. What's going on? What's going on? People are just getting mad. Just mad out, losing their damn minds. Just losing their goddamn minds. How you gonna lose your goddamn mind over me? A baker in the business just 2 years. The fuck? Oh yeah, man. TinaChinCakes.com. Log on to my website. I have the buy one get one free available right now on my website. The Bailey's rum cupcakes. Joanne, we all know that. We all know how sick and demented that individual is, Joanne. We know that. But he wants to make it seem like, oh, you know, trying to create a problem. And come and act out on live. Come on, Joanne. We all know that. That's the whole sickness. We all know that. We all know that. Oh, I can't believe. Oh. Yeah, but you're a food flyer get reported. Yeah, like using the head. Yeah, but you're a food. That's like reporting my cupcakes. You know, that's like reporting a pair of shoes, which, you know, that's crazy. That lovely Meg, I have said that, lovely Meg. I say that all the time. Like, I wish I never did have to come on social media. Come do nothing. Like, I wish I get on the other level where I don't have to be among these degenerates. I don't know what I mean, who me I talk about. I don't have to be around these gravelicious degenerates who just hate you and just butu and disgusting. I wish my products taste better. Thank you, Joanne. I wish I didn't have to conduct my business. You think I want to be on this platform like this? I mean, I love you guys. I love you guys. Believe it or not, I love you guys. But I'm just saying, like, to be on a platform trying to run my business and be surrounded by all of these friggin' wolves, it's really sickening. Them upset at me because I'm a pull away. Yes, I don't want to be a part of them. No, I get in a trouble before and I'm a pass. I don't want to get in a trouble again with nobody. No, I know what my faults are. I know what my weaknesses are, and I don't want nobody to play on those weaknesses and get me in a trouble again. No. It happened before, and it got me in trouble before. Me a big man now. Me too old for go prison. No way. Nobody now put me in a nope. And take advantage of me and my weakness and use them head pat me and all them foolishness there. You mad? No way. No way. Sick. Every day get up just mad. You can't get up and be mad at somebody like that. Don't be mad at me like that. The person, I have a choice. If I don't want to deal with you, I don't want to deal with you. And I saw from way out that that person is a type of person that I didn't want that. I just didn't want that. What's wrong with that? Thank you, Shoshone. People tell me say them my cake them taste like back in Jamaica. I one girl last night, she posted a comment on my page and cussed me off because she said she call me for order again and me not answer. So she not order. So I had to tell the girl, I said, ma'am, you have to check the website. She cussed me off and she said, I buy a cake before and it tastes like just like back in Jamaica when I buy a cake. And me I call it for order and she not get. And I had to tell her, I had to say, ma'am, you have to just go on the website. You don't need to call me to get me to order. Just go on the website, baby. That's all you gotta do. You know, you saw the comment, that thing I put up with a girl. Yeah, man. Yes, Joanne. Yes. Crazy. Just me. Me don't want to get in no trouble for nobody again. Me no want to. Me no, so I stay by myself. Me no looking at the friend zone. So I'm gonna stay by myself and stay in my corner. Everybody me look on with a cocky eye. Me look at everybody with a cocky eye. I ask anybody who know me. Me look on them with a cocky eye, like. Even if they're not, you know, like, you know, but it's just who I am naturally. I just look on them first and like kind of feel them, you know, I'm going to, and it's annoying to some people, but it's just who I am. You know, it's just who I am, you know. TeenageandCakes.com, log on, get your rum cakes, your sorrel fruit cakes, your Bailey's rum cup.